Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick update on my Greenstalk. As you can see, I've grown a variety of vegetables, my Swiss chard as well as my Bok Choy. I have harvested today, and I'll also be preparing a quick meal that I'm going to enjoy from this beautiful garden. You've seen my Greenstalk, and here is my first harvest, so let's get cooking. To prepare my meal, I have onion, the Swiss chard, bok choy, salt, pepper, and some Clubhouse seasoning. So we are going to saute. Here is how I turn my harvest into a final meal. My bok choy and Swiss chard, of course, some roasted sweet potatoes, avocado, and some brown rice. If you'd like my recipe, check the description box below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.